Hey guys, Michael Internet Pro. I wanted to make a quick video. Results today. So many of you guys are really loving this system. So far 14 sales today. Yesterday was the same 14 sales. Quite a few upsells today. Got 97.90. Yesterday was 43.96. Again guys, keep in mind this is our residual income, autopilot residual income. Definitely want to give this program a shot. If you haven't had a look at it, do so by clicking the link below, because it will be in your best interest to do so. Why? Only $1, 10-day test drive, totally hands off. You know, this approach with this business is 100% hands off, done for you business. Okay, been around for a while guys, and I can tell you I haven't seen a business like this one ever before. I mean, it's a true service. They do everything for you while you basically sit back and you can learn at your own pace while you're collecting a paycheck. They pay out via JVZoo, which is in there for sent to your PayPal account. Okay, so JVZoo pays out via your PayPal account. If you have a PayPal debit card, you can use that at anywhere where MasterCard, I believe, is what they use. It's accepted, worldwide, nationwide. So yeah guys, it's very convenient to get paid through PayPal, and so simple. Just log in, see your balance, move your money around, do whatever you need to do. So it's very convenient to get paid this way. You don't have to wait weeks and weeks and weeks or months before you get paid out, that type of thing. So definitely want to take a look at this system. Click the link below this video, it's in the description section, and definitely sign up today. $1 guys, won't break the bank. Great program. All right, I recommend it. It's Michael Internet Pro. Click the link below. I'm out.